Stop uploading your private documents to random ad-filled PDF converter websites. If you use Microsoft Word, you already have a professional-grade PDF generator built in. Today, I'm going to show you the 10-second method to securely convert any Word document into a locked PDF without downloading a single extra app. Let's get right to it. With your finished document open in Word, completely ignore the old print workarounds. Instead, go straight up to your top menu and click on File. Scroll down the left sidebar and click Export. Right in the middle of your screen, you will see a large button labeled Download. Click that. A save window will pop up. Just give your new file a name, choose where you want to save it on your drive, and hit Save. Your document is instantly converted into a perfectly formatted, professional PDF. And that is it. No sketchy websites, no third-party watermarks, and your private data never leaves your computer. If this quick workflow hack saved you some time today, smash that like button to help push this video to other frustrated users. Make sure you are subscribed to more fast, zero BS tech tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.